When the car turning my way the first. Okay, my way when I be ugbo do yan. David blow the music 35,000 naira yiku. Yes. Iye ne lady of song. O me pe no ladi aran. We ragmo ero we na ache no yuwe yuwo. Desini pakwa. Ona do alole uwe ni we ra alolo. Shame on you. It's a shame. What aluwo. When we was send us some by na backman. You could not hold your responsibility. And then David be now we say I need ancestral curse. Oh, I know me who went now. Oh, I got backman. Nebo Yarele. A backman nebo be. Oh, it's not gonna be. A backman nebo be. Eh, you got your way. Oh, some maybe I'm a fit way. Imagine you agree way. You don't need no need. Oh, a backman a bogbe. You see your life. I mean your plan and wagbona. Not till they do for this life. We don't be turned back against the person, except say you are clean. When David in Enogie was small, you leave her for your baby mama. You ran away. When David in Enogie can grow, he can still give him a belly. Leave her for mama. Ran away. Now so David, this Pikin go still be, that will still grow tomorrow, go still born. You know what here? Na ancestral curse. Agbakman Ogbe, aka Ere David in Enogie, Nyan Sunobu. Iba bora lawe gbe. Ogun ala gbe wa sun, ora gbe wa van. Nu ya ti bi omo no Ere David, nu mana mo spemi ni kwa, no tu e kwa. Esther neve megbe, where ya Esther. Okay, do it with David. Chaloboa, we're not Esther Reni. Kita. Because Esther was not the Esther we now know. Esther, you were no shabby Renati way. Eki when I don't know way. We have been up your mono do agree. Ah, David, we were better than Umajagira. Una drag destiny bagwa. Just because he was the one who stood by you and your mama in you your mudiaki you are now away. Now you are support to one. Say you are not the fear. You are not so area in the logo boy affair. Or you want in the nafia away. You are more in destiny away. The way we so many area we born on me. Anyway, after marrow. Yahweh. Only had the problem that you know me way. Usagba now by Yiki. And I hear what. I get the destiny back when I figure who do the video. Was a man to drag game in social media. I the video of Buye. Era can suffer you. If I bought your fear come the later now. I want me come aside, make on talk. Nigeria o. Me when that yan not go na wa bem e man na wa wagmo the man na sunwu no na yo bo bere ye ya fe no na o I no gba no area say because how can you give birth to a child with is cursing mama? He had you, he not blame you for everything. If they blame only the mama, this is the same mother I marry my Esther cool. Esther stood by this David in Enogie to grow. To then, Esther succeeded in carrying her 3 children to Ireland. I remember human trafficking. But at the end of the day, a David of got to escape back. Oh, yeah, David David want to buy Esther and not buy you. Your first enemy is David. Yes, imagine why I settle. I'm not interested in your fucking settlement. But David is a bad son. David knows say if he writes rubbish about him, mama, blogger will carry him. Not be small Pikin. This boy went ahead and disgraced her mother online. Self-swagalicious deportee. Okay, disgrace here for them. David need to confess where He don't know what he happen to round. If the thing you enter head, if you never do the thing finish, you don't rest. Now I want to prophesy for you. You know why if something enter, you know you have to declare you don't finish. Now I may tell me. And that may tell me is coming from this Agbakman and Bogbe. This your stupid father. We don't forgive you on train. We don't leave you for small picking. Because assuming this man was in your life, not true. Maybe you forget that fatherly love. Emma won't have more fear. Emma won't have fatherly love. Emma won't need a back man, but we Irasu, Kieke, Yaya, Inu Kenya se Kenya, Raya Zua. David in Enogie, while the Betty, UN legend, Berana. If you ever call your mother a legend, because later Osamore is there, Epa Kabama is there, Osula is there. These are legends. Making it legendary. Now, let me tell you a story. Do you know that this man is not the father of Stephanie? Okay, I will explain. The reason why I don't want Saga Papa Stephanie never using direct to talk to me. So for that reason, I'm not going to use direct to talk to them. Yes, this is not the father of Stephanie. Esther not born all his children from one man. This is not the father of Stephanie. This is the father of Sarah and David. Allegedly, because I see the suspect and alleged David, but we will ask Sarah join her for the now. Esther is a single mother of 3 different fathers for children. 3 different fathers for children. No, so how this man, how this useless Agbakman about waiting no Esther. Then we want to begin the enter. So when Papa Stephanie dumped Esther Dokbayi, this guy came into his life. This Agbakman about came into his life. When he came into his life, he deceived Esther. He lied to Esther. Say he get money. He did okay to train Esther. He deceived her. People say Esther is a single mother of 1. And she's still young and naive. This one called the fucker. But this is a way. The lies and deceit when you take cash Esther. You bring money, me they take eat. You know you get money if you come for work. Because they deceive Esther. When Esther don't say no, Bele do it. Esther come they try to make sure say everything work. Maybe not call the talk say single mother of 2. But one man. The pregnancy when he carry for this man, work beg. After Esther put to bed, since then, for over 10-15 years, this man never showed up again. When there's the bagua come enter in life, shut the last stream apart. When there's the bagua come enter in life, this man now come by the talk say, he want to see Pikin, now Esther not agree, blah blah blah. Esther na wa ima awa lao gume ko enjoy Destiny Bagwa. Na carry Destiny Bagwa to the ways and sing. I always so use as if Destiny Bagwa sing. Osa no kwe bebe we kubeze wodo wa me. O makon o emi no wo. That cry will cry if they sing. Now this man. Because this man was trying to come back. I carry Destiny Bagwa. So Destiny Bagwa they carry the fuck me. And when Destiny Bagwa tell you upgrade, you want to spoiler. Now they pursue this papa. They want to wear or die your dick or wagon up. Agbakman the bogwe. Or as they both for where now we go. Or die your dick or wagon up. I'll post of his sister tomorrow. I will relax. I said 7 days saga. For David to trauma to me, it's only this Adamo. Not be beast, but you not get matter. If the presenters like me, they not fight for themselves. You, David, not trauma to my innocent children. If we talk about it, when you're soon, besa we be. They besa we be David. No buye. How come you dey borrow money? Your baby mama dey borrow money. Eh? Not be Kelebe used to born. Kelebe one. Kelebe in the fucking chart. Now make some noise. Let's make some noise for Ikelebe in the fucking chart. What? Wait. Why in your name? Why? Don't call me, please. When this idiot was insulting me, you were shining your teeth. What did he insult me for? I don't sag around. I let him say, you not get sense. When you go bring your mama console, hey, bijoué. No beat your mama again. This way begin to insult me. They insult my nose. You they close. They put this up. I won't beg for my beg. In my wa bossway. My wa bossway. In my wa bossway. Any one of the way you try to give me now, if I pay, here the picture the baby father. That's I ready for extra children. They not be baby again. They are adults. Forget that they see more for age. They are adults, and I'm going to treat them as one. You understand? So next I enter studio. They say back and say, you not get money. Oh. People when you want to do this, I never pay. Oh. Next I say get money, me they go studio. This useless man, Agbakman Nebogbe, aka Papa David. He come they talk say he want come back. Oh. You want go give presenter. Oh. No, you could sing this song. Oh. Blah blah blah. Next I take go studio. You say, and when I want start that song, he come first stand up. Then may I do the drama for now. But I will girl, me too, you understand? Me too. When Esther want to dance, when you want to do that dance, you know say, "Osanwa we marry we zero na wame." On your body. You know how I snap on him with Facebook. If you do manager, now that's a period so. Now there's the back what they carry the entire boat. Where guests go they call the user they yes guests. Now they remember all these things safe. People like now Jay-Z me they talk to you. I remember that time. There's the back what carry their two entire boat. When you even like boat in there, it's like they use until they rub their yash. God damn it. First name me you know the feature destination cool. Hey. So that's the start of the single. Are you your body now? You know, it's about one with your body. You know, I start on New York. Make him. Where? Because Papa David. No, David, no, we always Wahala. Only one me picture start with this about was your Antonio. Or any David I can only a fatari. All those fata can only a lady. Any David I fataful. If you want to get Papa David's secret, I take all this is what they talk so. Yeah, like that never secret. That boy what they call papa yeah. Okagbe. No superior. Obi Okagbe. Anya me picture ya we go am dia. Dene Azua. Papa. Ian. David in Agbakman Nebogbe, Papa David. They be twins. If you're not lost small, Papa David ready to tell you he left his child, take burn everything. That one still do to make us start living. When you get stand up somewhere, wherever you go, you still get choice. Beggar with choice. As I last studio. Osalokwi bebe bagwa kugbe zeva devame on my con on every no. If you want to know say Esther they pass through pains, you go say on every no. Do not query the way you want the word of power. Esther the word of power. The word of power will stay word of power. Allah him. Esther Allah him will stay word of power. Oh, we're not Zua, no, we ye. You're more like me. Every area meet your like my Velo keke, no gaji, it might have. Magua beneme, sir. Beneme, Jediata. So, for that simple reason, a paper power now. God back my book winner. 7 days ago, no, you want more about one. ugbe ma back way even topic dey do gbe wan ozo na ki page na saga purpose this saga page wa na hin ya we mi akun bere ya we no shi na gbra bo pa ìyẹn èdò gbó ẹ máa lábẹ́ àdíwọ́n yàtọ̀ ní mọ́ ẹ̀ ọ̀rẹ́ mi náwó ọ̀rẹ́ mi náwó ọ̀rẹ́ mi náwó ló wá kó èdè mẹ́bí ẹ̀yọ̀ wọ́dọ̀ pa òsàn náà kó ìmẹ̀rẹ̀ wẹ̀ kò gbé zẹ́wọ̀dọ̀ pa mi ọmọ kan ọ̀rẹ́ mi náwó this one call the threatening now with a naked picture so you wan post like say naked pictures as how when my phone wey me that's where I are he say Esther no worry based on say Esther no dey think fast say AI don dey exist Esther na to see one way adabunamie o iye adabunamie o akesuma magbona ye adabunamie o you know say if you dey sing all your boy there wey to wa le there wey ye Esther mie ne wa go mie ne o say ne ka bo vio ne David in Obuye, emi you me wa mi 37. Wa. No do disgrace you. Me you suffer le we say. Omo no gbe yo mo dan. Wa zuwa. Agbakman no gbe. Agbakman na bo. O this one in Agbakman na say. Agbakman say sana do swear. All of the feature two-face in Agbombe. The two-face and two-face and I two-face. They are feature two-face. When this one don't enter carefully, because this one hope don't lost say. Yet when you hear name me, but they say Papa. Esther even do another you buy on your that but more. May love drink pass the life. You see me to the happen to us sometimes na come on. In the stand of me now. Hey, because all the native doctor wey dey be I mean next time in yariwo oyobo piyede but on na me we fear do we obo we wu ba ni na fuck up ozuona ogi bere western man said there on next time ya we mi so yeze we azizo bosi ejosho o mari mi yeze o na ya we ejosho ni won so ni ari pa yanyan labo ona na mi kina wanyan ona yi wa la wanyan ni Esther na wari ona wa tami two face lari ona wa vizori Natasha ko anyway I'm two face I will want it Esther na we dey want it no we dollar be in naira we want 80,000 or he that's not a woman yeah today my today two face now worry 800,000 how you fish two face when the two face here in Bebori when the two face well we two face here in Bebori where 800,000 pay we not in Bebori if I probably feel cool le need two face with that the same thing always in the bag always no die 200 que o pay no ya ari bem no ya do feature in also that you will buy on your abonnement successfully also if you get ko better no the one no do gbe me ona me lo na ya so ma na de le studio ona so Ogasa sister ma shebi e no dey tire you e no dey tire you brother ma sister ma esa we yo everybody want to swear yeah do me two face no pin we osi go back and listen to that song you saw the two face mommy won ya so I got my way brother sister it's a little way yana no dey tire you no dey tire you brother in what money Esther why not your boy no matter brother start there boy now indirect they sing to Papa David that song that Papa David get now that one come put grudges for David man no ya won ye go wa David we rather he wa mo different girlfriend you yeah different girlfriend yes na wow man David can use it he self teachers to household enemy Esther tie the boy agbe won gbe star because you tie owo e ka me na if you get it owo na ye gbe ya household even David na vow ma ga saga Esther we ni ya kewe owo ya to bi se to pa agile to mo gugu ye David Enogie, there is nothing when you tell me for this life will pay me. As far as you don't come from mama will born you come out for tutu. You can insult anybody. You na Orion bar in advance. David, you na Orion bar in waiting. Because you don't respect person. A big IB where you talk about your fipegi one where fipegi. So that's why they call you Orion bar in waiting. So you see am, Agbakmane. So that make the saga you. If you see the saga today now, introduction saga, you never really entered the May one. The atrocity you committed in your village. Tomorrow I will tell the world where you come from. Et David Enogie may not see where he. If I book fear to the Motai. Or Azua, you that cannot take full responsibility. David Enogie, aka prodigal son. If I book your father is Orioba wants view. Orioba wants view. There Orioba wants view. Masha, yeah. You might have feel better. A maro, or in our Orioba in waiting too. Now Orioba. I will not pure monotony is an Orioba. Ahwe ehari every village we no kere e David Enogie ogun ya gbu e o we gbera na bai ni ra su ni ra na le mi wa inu gba ni ra na aria no se ni ba bo no fia kule le ra na no fia kule lu e no e ne gbe we wa zu wa na do wa aye. You cannot use your mother's influence to grow. Use your influence to grow. Akausa. David no jagmo Jamie. David aka fake alert. Una ya we fake alert in normal. Una ya we fake alert in normal. Useless son of a legend. Which legend? Is Esther a legend? Is Esther a legend? If you must be a legend, Olita is a legend now because they don't do 30 years for music. Akobe is a legend. Army man is a legend. These are legends. I go no land up legends. They are just coming up, and we are making everything sure that they become a legend tomorrow. May God bless go no la. Stanley Young one is not a legend too, but they will become legend tomorrow. Stanley Young one and Esther Dokbayi are the same range. If Stanley never get level past the Esther now safe. Because Stanley music now for market now the highest. Go to YouTube, go to different apps. You see Stanley Young music is the best. If they say they put your mama with the college for Ghana, you are my way 20 years with music. On my way 25 years with a legend in there. Wow, Zua. Baba Allah with me. Awa pa vyo era do le gbere dori pa ni apa yo tan. Iyen re we mu wa. Iyen re we mu wa o. We mu wa o. Awi na wa lala o. Amegbo wa yi se ra pa baba. Emi ama o David Enogie. Amegbo wa yi se ra pa baba. Emi ama ya o David Enogie. We no ya mogun gbu yo e de ma ye. We no ya mogun gbu yo e Facebook ma ye. How about your other your yesterday? Any no money be no buena. At least we don't get some information about you now. You might have for 10 years there. No don't more down be and even have your mother. No one don't swear. Sadera la your mother ya we Sadera la now I know why they sing. Egbume be kele be omo. Ikelebe ma mama. Salagi ma bike we wa bikelebe ikelebe. Ikelebe pofi ara we sakai. Oyo. Ikelebe wo pofi ara we on. وماكلبه ديفيدي نوبيه يكلبه
انا اكره شيء انه بيحطوا الصور والله
ايه وماريو وبيكلبه
والله
me vale وبيكلبه وهو نرو وير بيكلبه vraiment Larry c'est ça hein et il y en a qui tout also on are training to become responsible children. And I mean that way. David no buye. David no bugolaya mami babo. But all the guy David no buye. Since I was born till now, I never see Pikin wey humiliate this Esther like David. She tried her best, but her best was not enough. Her best was not enough. There's no bagua. Don't my dear. Lao, you know not say you no get money. They manage. They stay at the house. No go carry old TV. You see me advise you. So any girl when they call your life now, they use that eye where you take get money to they look you. Wawa way, na mwekune, oni dugaye o tiri. E boy any more one of here. Boy didn't go to now you mail you way. Esther got wa and no we phone. If I'm you right now, maybe go make pogba. I say me I no. Nso ya pokpa destiny bagwa so ya pe aje ko mo wa yo mo gbe we no bi ku ya gbe o yo ko love won ya small vest wa we me isaga we because o no mi wo ma tun we re azan wa ni so anything woman na ko wari e medi we that there David no gbiye no do time ma where 6 months ago meaning other one like here now we see level what we that we new year many we there what there what you pe wa gbe mi TikTok you pe wa gbe wa kuku to you pe wa many we wa gbe a bi wa break up ni wa mi si go mo da do yan wa vi batanya u ya lo le yan wa be mu single mother ma be money bi ye twin so that wa here we when bi ya lo ye me kuku meli yo we na ya mu no ya re remote yi wo bo we na ya mi na we na ya mu na ho ne no bi wo wa wo screen motor esta gaso osu motor we solar dia we sta screen motor so I know what to vela werere bagwa we know what you dey we masha we that's about you we ma we see ya over see your bottom how they screaming that yeye thing you know your work out here ba so we believe we standing we are till we okay let's scream okay let's scream you are fake anyway when you gotta start with good you know you gotta go like cellophane because of 2 minutes pleasure or you when we YouTube we be made do tie but we dey age David no pe ye do in your destiny e be you post there now where happy new month farms where you post and go to where you are celebrated now you know stay where they used to this to your head Saloba ne start tossing no wesi. Esta na wa diban, na wa meri yo ino. The video is a boy. Oh, I get the video ya where you want it. Saloba ne start to. I know the that's why I say the saga I cannot wish her death. Never, God forbid. I know what me we stand na wa opinion wa we. The video ka wa ri akeke wa ya so. Anyway, losing it. I don't me we buy. I we who want it us. I we agent. Who want it us. I go na Destiny Bagwa. My fellow men out there, be careful with Toto. Toto is a very powerful tool that can bring a man down. Toto, it is sweet. It is condemn. And all those women will be say they not really give you what you need for life. And then that now that to the sweet pass. We were restaurant, we were revenue. When I'm in film industry, when I'm with Yagweze, I remember the film dunia. Now we keep back on like president of Ipima. I was working on the UK. But you know, c'est David. Na wa na hine. O gba wan yan re. David mo fun ni je wa gba ni age supermarket. Wọ́n re titi yan da bi na. Ni ado ni me wa ibu we ri me wa no mo wa. We me fun da me we chatting me fun me. We aye ti me video call yere mo mogun gbuju e fi an. To se mo wa. But you respect one. I married them as a or one. So there's a bag where you're the premiers and live long. Maybe for 50 gather yourself for that ass. Because that boy is jealous of you. You are taking what rightfully belongs to him. Because of your woman. It's true. David is right. I step father hard, you go get. They use the car, they use the jeep, they bath for the house. You know they pay that big. When you know Esther, you not get anything. When Esther know you, you not get. When you know Esther, Esther was not in zero. When Esther know you, you can be not in zero. And Esther called a professor love to you for public say, a man that made your mother. Esther, you. Then you wanted to say he made you. When you have one day, where was never abandon her? Eh? I had to wear the navy. Eh? Esther. I'm not done with you when any Esther. Because even if you want to draw the Zimbabwe go down, not be like this. Video. They say if the Zimbabwe will come out now. Now if friends they follow the command now. If not if you come out, you know, go enjoy. If not the video not put for internet, say your mommy no happy. They say back one until nine. They say back one no Barry boy. Oh superstar. Wo Western Rivière. They say back one ya we carrière avant. Ya wo meni rivière avant. Avec pas de David il est David il oh this one go ya ti you way ma da fin you no e da fin ra na no zoo ha da fin boy ma da fin ma o azoo do well ma do go agbon we hin eru we na we ma say no uplift eh ma say TikTok ogbon yan agbowa the consuming substance in that TikTok the consuming substance in that a cap or a consuming substance on TikTok baba ola gbagbe e wori ya po be ya bi lajan ba me so na e de Facebook na re ma re ma wi pa wa re Wazoo. Imo plus 21 yo. Laish láti wẹ̀ the managing director of the Laish Ogun Agbo ẹ̀. Laish yẹ̀yìn. Yàwọn èèyàn ní TikTok wà zoo. Okay, consuming substance. Una gẹ́gẹ́ vie ayo when ni da so ma vie managbo yo. Isa ge flow igbe. Una ya mo ya yo ni isa ge flow igbe. Anaga emu we fie me woni no nya ni TikTok. Cause ni AI o managbo. Ere magba o wa ni so we mi so magba we substance. Atu begu ni we ni AI nanyi. Back man we ni re. Read the video. I love TikTok shop. Wazoo. So they say, why you want to work out your life now? You want to build us again, or you want to buy? You don't have for granted, or may you go your house, so not sell again. Brotherly harvest. Esther, you do a shot. Obviously, go more than no good though. God will see bless you. You say as they saw their papa that they happy, your mark carry. It's not my business. You look at that they happy. You go back and say that their mama will suffer it, they don't even love her. They love their papa will not even raise them. But their mama they play say they go they happy because they don't like their papa. Just they play. You go surprised that they love their father will not train their past their mama will train them. Arriva. They just you know what no children. Mais non, they are going to Mouladian. You know, see, Destiny. Yes, so he has a grandfather. He's living his life here in West today. We always came here. I am a decoy single mother. We were more, we were personalized. You know, I be ball. I was a ball when I was there. Goalkeeper. Can you marry that Mary goalkeeper? Why room with her? Because I pok man. Because who not West away me? Who pok man? Who are to tower for meals man? It is not October. I'm start well at it. I will allow. But Mario. When the only man amigo really Europe to be can. Nye di Europe to nanya so nye wasme je ke Europe to ma amigo egbo do yayi then this bagwa egbo do yayi. So the best for you wa fe ko ye mwe mau ya fe ko pok mani or your momo na or no ro ari Canada so we momo no amu papa na or anything anyway you wani happy. Now, my brother, when I will say a video, why we will not revise no more. Here do so no we yari hune. What about the concept? Yana I'm one of a few way. One at Bui Wayada one of our why. It is a bag why we will not revise no. Bring it up now. Nonsense. Azul. I was saying why not going.